updated 2023 Can-Am Maverick X3 DS Turbo. For 2023, both 2- and 4-seat models of the 64-inch wide mid-horsepower Maverick X3 DS Turbos gets a boost in power from 120 to 135 horsepower, thanks to a new ECU and calibration, new turbo assembly, and fuel injectors from the Turbo RR engine. The result is a 21% increase in horsepower and 23% more torque than its closest competitors, which are all naturally aspirated. Can-Am's smoother operating pDrive roller bearing equipped clutch was added to the DS Turbo's CVT. It's also claimed to be more durable. Not just a horsepower leader at its price point, the Maverick X3 DS Turbo leads all of its 64-inch wide competitors in suspension with 20 inches of travel at both ends. It rides on 30-inch Maxxis Carnivore tires, on the large side for a 64-inch wide machine. Starting at $21,599 for the 2-seat Maverick X3 DS Turbo and $25,099 for the Maverick X3 Max DS Turbo, performance for the dollar appears to be off the chart. We're hoping to test one out in 2023 to find out.